Hi there and welcome on Ticking Watch. This video will be all about disassembling of a Chinese movement Mingzhu DG3804 with GMT complication. If you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button, because in that way you will be alerted of any new content that will be uploaded on Ticking Watch. Okay, so let's start with the disassembly. First I will remove the balance stone. Generally I always start disassembly with removing the balance wheel. Probably many of you will ask yourself why I'm showing this video. First reason, these movements you can find in the many Chinese homage watches, and a lot of people already have them. So if you are a curious person, if you would like to know how these watches are built, this video will be for you. Also, I didn't show a full service on YouTube of Mingzhu DG3804 with GMT function. And the second reason, this Mingzhu movement 3804, like any other movement, mechanical watch movement, someday will need a service. And in this video and whole series of these videos, I will show you step by step how to do this at home. Okay, when the balance breech and the balance wheel are removed, next step is to remove the pellet cock and the pellet itself. We have to be careful here because this part is also very delicate. Very thin plate, this pellet cock. And here is the pellet, and there was still a tension on the mainspring. Very good, here the arrow shows where is the click that removes the tension of the mainspring. Now I will remove the breech. Here is a logo of the manufacturer of this watch movement, probably it's a Mingzhu company logo. We have here as a one piece the barrel breech and also the train wheel breech. It is a one big part. So I think it will be difficult to assemble this, but this I will show in next video. Here is the breech and here are the trains. These two trains wind the mainspring. Okay, it's painted, and the second wheel, it's similar like in Miyota movements. Okay, and the train wheels, third wheel and escape wheel. That's the hacking lever. And here we have sweep second pinion, very small part. Puller with the ratchet wheel. And here is the click, and with the click spring. Let's remove these two guys, clutch wheel and winding pinion. And now the center wheel cock. It has only two screws. Okay. The one screw still need to be unwinded because it's holding. Okay, it's removed. And now, because I read on many forums or in internet that these movements sometimes are not lubricated, but here in this particular model we see that it was lubricated. Let's remove the other wheels from the down side of the main breech, of the train wheel breech and the barrel breech. Only this wheel can be removed. It has a left hand thread screw. And here we also can see that it was lubricated. Okay, let's move to the dial side, and here we have GMT wheel. Let's remove it. Okay, how it works, these two wheels change the setting of the GMT hand, and these wheels cannot be removed. They will stay with the plate. Okay. The date dial card is secured with 3 screws. Let's remove them. Okay, now we can take it out. First the screws. Okay, and now the date dial with the date card. Okay, and here we have all the trains, all the wheels for the date, for the time, and here is attention spring for the date lever. This is the wheel for quick date change, and here are these wheels that cannot be removed. This is the one wheel, and the second wheel is on the other part. Here is some dash, I know where it's going. I have to figure it out later when I will assemble the movement. Okay, let's remove the hour wheel and the other parts of the motion work. Date driving wheel. Here's the surface where the date dial is moving. Pretty weird made. Okay, let's take out the canyon pinion, and the center wheel is automatically out. Setting wheels, we have 3 here, and probably the dash one that we saw before comes here, and this is the wheel that change the date. Okay, the setting lever spring, it's secured only with 1 screw. And the other components is flow away, that's not a problem, but we always have to be careful here. And not only here, also where are all springs we have to be careful. This spring I think I will leave. It's not needed to remove it. And the final step, removing of the balance stone. With sharp tweezers this job should go very easily. And instead of Rodico we can also remove this stone with the tweezers. It's not so easy, but also possible. Okay, I'm totally beginner, so probably you won't see here, and you will definitely not see here the perfect watch movement service, but what I want to show is that it is possible to do this at home. Okay, and here are all the parts. We almost finish. One more thing left. I will take out the mainspring from the barrel because I want to be sure that it isn't broken, and this is not the problem why this watch didn't work properly. Okay, I see it's also lubricated. And it's not broken, I think. and here, after cleaning, as we see, there is a lot of dirt. So this watch movement, although it was new and look out from the outside very clean, had a lot of dirt. For cleaning I use petroleum ether or extraction naphtha, it's actually the same, and it works really good. Okay, that's all about disassembling of Mingzhu DG3804 with GMT function. I hope you liked this video. If so, please give me a thumb up. New videos will come soon, so please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, take care and bye bye.